Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to translate a page on your Samsung S25 Ultra. So let's say you're using the internet browser and you're basically browsing through these articles. However, English is not your first language and you want to change this into a language which you prefer. So say for example, Hindi or maybe Thai or maybe Chinese. So you can do this with your Samsung S25 Ultra. So first you need to make sure you have opened up the internet browser, which is from Samsung. Now go ahead and navigate to the article where you want to translate it. From here, use the Galaxy AI feature, which is at the bottom here. Tap on that. And now you'll see this translate feature. Tap on this. And now at the top, you can go ahead and choose what language you want to translate into. So you have a choice of Chinese, German, English, Hindi, Korean, Polish, Russian, Spanish, Vietnamese. If your language is not listed, you can go ahead and tap on add, and you can add the other languages as well. So for now, I'll go ahead and choose Polish. And now this will basically translate that English into Polish. Now you can go ahead and read this article in your native language. So there you go guys, that is how to use Galaxy AI to translate an article on your Samsung S25 Ultra. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.